Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wa sallim. Welcome to spoken English class. In this class, we are going to read and understand and going to listen a nice and good story. And this is second prophet Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam story. Let's start. The Ark of Noah. At long time ago, there lived a very good man. His name was the Prophet Nuh alayhi salam. He loved Allah very much and Allah loved him. The Prophet Nuh alayhi salam lived in a village. There were many more people living in the same village. Most of them did not love Allah and did not pray to him. Nuh alayhi salam was very patient man. Every day he would go from house to house and talk to people about Allah. Nuh alayhi salam wanted all the people to love Allah and pray to him. But the people laughed at Nuh alayhi salam. This made Nuh alayhi salam very sad. In the end, Nuh alayhi salam prayed to Allah, Allah, save the believers and punish the weak people. Allah wanted to punish weak people with a flood. But He wanted to save Nuh alayhi salam and the people who listened to Nuh alayhi salam. Allah told Nuh alayhi salam to build a huge boat. Soon the boat was ready. The next day it started to rain. It looked as if the rain was never going to stop. The village was getting flooded. Nuh alayhi salam put up a ladder and climbed into the boat together with other good people. After them climbed the animals. All the animals were in pairs: goats, sheep, horses, elephants, and many others. Pairs of birds sat on the deck of the boat: hens, ducks, parrots, and eagles. Soon everybody was safe in the boat. There were some people who did not want to come with Nuh alayhi salam. They did not come into the boat. They said, "We are not scared of the rain." They were not scared of Allah. They all drowned in the flood. There was water everywhere. No land could be seen. Even the highest mountains were covered with water. The boat with its passengers was carried by the waves. It rolled to and fro, and everybody was very afraid. But Allah was watching over them. Suddenly the rain stopped, the clouds moved away, and the sun began to shine. The water started to dry up. The Prophet Noah's boat hit a dry mountain top and stayed there. Nuh alayhi salam saw the dry land. He told his people to calm down. They left the boat. The animals follow them, happy. They thank Allah for keeping them safe. Praise be to Allah who takes care of His people. In this way, Allah made the flood and the ark of Nuh alayhi salam a sign and a warning for future generations. Thank you very much.